Throughout history, there have been moments that proved reality is stranger than fiction. Today, we'll explore a set of 15 photos that even the brightest minds couldn't explain. From spooky apparitions to mysterious lights from another world, get ready to be amazed by these mind-boggling images that defy explanation. Number 15. The Voic Manuscript's enigmatic imagery. The Voic Manuscript, named after Wilfrid Voynich, the Polish book dealer who acquired it in 1912, is a riddle wrapped in an enigma. This 15th century codex is adorned with cryptic illustrations and text in an unknown language. The manuscript features captivating images of botanical specimens, astronomical diagrams, bathing women, and pharmaceutical depictions, none of which correspond to any known species or recognizable astronomical configurations. Many of the plant species portrayed defy identification, and the astronomical charts remain equally puzzling. Numerous theories have been proposed, ranging from a pharmacopoeia to an alchemical text or speculative fiction. Despite numerous attempts to decipher the manuscript, its text and the meaning behind its peculiar illustrations remain a mystery. The Voynich manuscript stands as one of the most baffling artifacts in history, beckoning us into a world filled with intrigue, mystery, and the challenge of the unknown. Number 14. The 1959 Diatlov Pass Incident photographs. The Diatlov Pass incident stands as one of the most bewildering events in modern history. In 1959, 9 experienced Russian hikers met their demise under extremely mysterious and chilling circumstances in the Ural Mountains. Photographs recovered from the hikers' cameras add layers of enigma to the incident. One of the images shows a blurry figure near the tree line, often referred to as the Yeti photo. Another unsettling picture, taken on the last night of the expedition, captures a mysterious light or orb against the dark sky. While the incident itself remains largely unexplained, the eerie photographs add a haunting visual narrative to the tale, sparking theories involving secret military experiments, attacks by indigenous peoples, or supernatural entities. Number 13. Fashion flashback, timeless trends and peculiar styles. Our next stop is a tale of transformation, starting with the corseted Victorian silhouette, the epitome of 19th century beauty ideals. We then shimmy our way into the roaring 20s, where flapper dresses and bobbed hair heralded a new age of freedom for women. A photograph of a woman transitioning from the constraining corset to the liberating flapper dress serves as a metaphor for women's liberation. Moving on, we tip our hats to men and their millinery, where a variety of hats donned by men throughout history tells a different story. From the noble top hats of the Victorian era to the practical caps of the working class, a man's hat was more than a fashion statement. It was an emblem of his status and identity. Number 12. Unusual historical practices, the quirkier side of the past. Our next snapshot takes us to the late 1960s when the foundations of the internet were being laid. In this photo, we see primitive machines and the excited faces of the team, unaware that they were about to change the world. Next, we journey to the stars with a snapshot of Alexei Leonov, the first man to walk in space. Here's a glimpse of him moments before he stepped into the vacuum of space, a testament to human courage and curiosity. Finally, we delve into the very fabric of human life. This photo captures the team behind the Human Genome Project, smiling behind stacks of data representing the mapped human genome, a breakthrough that has revolutionized medicine and biology. Number 11. Boxing among sailors. On the deck of the battleship USS Oregon in 1897, an impromptu boxing match unfolded amidst the imposing steel giants of war. This thrilling spectacle provided a break from the somber duties of military life and showcased the raw strength and skills of the fighters. It turned into a legendary story, becoming an integral part of the fearless USS Oregon's history, illustrating the bravery and camaraderie that defined military life during those times. Number 10. Einstein's Desk, 1955. Albert Einstein's cluttered desk in 1955 offers a remarkable insight into the mind of a genius. Amidst the chaos of papers and personal effects, the brilliance of one of the greatest scientific minds in history was at work. This photograph serves as a testament to the idea that genius often thrives in the midst of chaos and creativity. Number 9. Hitler's phone bunker, 1945. In 1945, as Allied forces closed in on Berlin, Adolf Hitler spent his final days in an underground bunker. This photograph captures the eerie atmosphere of the bunker, with Hitler's personal telephone on the table, a symbol of the dictator's isolation and impending downfall. Number 8. Hubble Deep Field, 1995. The Hubble Space Telescope's Deep Field image, taken in 1995, reveals a vast array of galaxies in a seemingly empty patch of space. This photograph provides a glimpse into the vastness of the universe, expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Number 7. Migrant Mother, 1936. Photographer. Dorothea Lange's image of a destitute mother and her children during the Great Depression became known as Migrant Mother. It serves as a powerful symbol of the hardships faced by many during economic turmoil. Number 6. The Tunguska Explosion. On June 30, 1908, a massive explosion occurred over the remote Tunguska region in Siberia, Russia. The explosion flattened approximately 2,000 square kilometers, 770 square miles, of forest, with the force of the blast estimated to be equivalent to 10-15 megatons of TNT. The event left behind a widespread area of scorched trees, known as the Tunguska event. The explosion was accompanied by a bluish-white light that illuminated the sky for thousands of kilometers. Eyewitnesses reported seeing the sky split in two, and the shockwave from the explosion was felt as far away as Europe. Despite the immense devastation, no impact crater or remnants of a meteorite were found at the site, leading to a variety of theories about the cause of the explosion. Some speculated that it was the result of an extraterrestrial object, such as a comet or a meteor, entering Earth's atmosphere and disintegrating before impact. Others suggested more exotic explanations, including the possibility of a mini black hole or even an alien spacecraft. However, scientific investigations in the decades that followed pointed to a meteoroid or comet as the likely culprit. The Tunguska event remains one of the most significant and enigmatic explosions in recorded history, but its cause is believed to be a natural celestial event rather than a visitation from extraterrestrial beings. Number 5. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. This area has gained notoriety due to numerous incidents of ships and aircraft disappearing under mysterious circumstances while traversing it. The Bermuda Triangle legend began to take shape in the mid-20th century, with the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers in 1945. Subsequent incidents, including the disappearance of Flight 441 in 1950 and the vanishing of the cargo ship SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963, added to the mystery. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the phenomena associated with the Bermuda Triangle, ranging from natural explanations like sudden storms, magnetic anomalies, and methane hydrate eruptions to more speculative ideas involving alien abductions and underwater civilizations. However, many experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous or mysterious than any other heavily trafficked region of the ocean. They point out that the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than in other areas, and many of the supposed mysteries can be explained by known natural phenomena and human error. Despite this, the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture the public's imagination as a symbol of unexplained mysteries at sea. Number 4. The Battle of Los Angeles. On the night of February 24, 1942, just weeks after the bombing of Pearl Harbor, fear and paranoia gripped the city of Los Angeles. Rumors of impending Japanese attacks swirled, triggering a blackout and sending anti-aircraft artillery into action. What followed was an otherworldly encounter that would remain shrouded in mystery. At around 3:16 a.m., unidentified flying objects appeared in the night sky, prompting the military to unleash a barrage of anti-aircraft fire. The resulting spectacle illuminated the dark sky with brilliant bursts of light. Newspapers reported the incident as a Battle of Los Angeles, but official explanations attributed the event to war nerves and weather balloons. Photographs captured during the incident show luminous objects amid the anti-aircraft fire, adding to the intrigue. The Battle of Los Angeles continues to be a topic of debate among UFO enthusiasts and skeptics, with some suggesting that extraterrestrial craft may have been involved. Number 3. The WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Amon made a startling discovery while working on the SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. He detected a strong radio signal that lasted for 72 seconds and appeared to be of extraterrestrial origin. Amon was so impressed by the signal that he circled it on the printout and wrote "Wow" in red ink, giving rise to its name, the Wow signal. Despite efforts to detect the signal again, it was never observed or explained. The Wow signal remains one of the most tantalizing and unexplained radio signals ever recorded, sparking ongoing speculation about its possible source and meaning. Number 2. Hiroshima, after the atomic bomb. On August 6, 1945, a serene dawn in Hiroshima was shattered by a blinding flash. A photograph captured the aftermath of this historic moment. Once a bustling city, Hiroshima lay in ruins, its landscape reduced to rubble. Shadows of objects and people are etched into the concrete and stone, an eerie testament to the devastating impact of the atomic bomb. This photograph memorializes a city forever altered, a stark reminder of the consequences of nuclear warfare. Number 1. Einstein's Playful portrait. Albert Einstein, renowned for his groundbreaking theories in physics, occasionally revealed his playful side. In this 1939 photograph, Einstein sticks out his tongue, adding a touch of whimsy to his otherwise serious image. The photograph captures the essence of a brilliant mind that could probe the deepest mysteries of the universe while enjoying moments of levity. It serves as a reminder that even the greatest minds have their moments of lightheartedness.